our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Sophie and this is Our Blessed Life. And what are we doing today?
Yeah.
So we have a small fall haul for y'all today. And Sophie was my helper. We went to go to Hobby Lobby and Kirklands to pick out some stuff for our house. So we're gonna show you that, and we'll show you a few things that we got earlier that I do not remember the prices of, but we'll show you those anyway. Then stay tuned for the end of the video where we will do a haul showing you what we got at Hobby Lobby, what we got at Kirkland's, and some of the things that we got at Hobby Lobby previously that they still have in the store. Sophie wanted to make sure that you saw the nativity scene that they have at Hobby Lobby. She just loves it, and if we're being honest, Sophie and I really only decorate for fall because it's not socially acceptable to decorate for Christmas this early anyway. So this was the first thing I got. I was gonna put this, I think, probably on our front porch. This was $19.99, and this was, all of the fall stuff was 40% off. So this ended up being $11.99. I got this for our front door. And they didn't have a lot of like Halloween stuff. We really don't do Halloween. I just am not a fan of Halloween. I know that probably sounds weird, but I just really don't like Halloween. And I think it's mostly because since Sophie's been home, it's just a holiday that's really scary to her. She doesn't like to see the decorations. She really hates to go into like Lowe's and Home Depot where they have like the big inflatables like it's for Christmas, but they're Halloween. So it's just so scary for her that we just really don't do Halloween, but we do fall decorations. So we're gonna put this on our front door. It says, "'Tis the season to be thankful." I had another one like this at our other house, but it's too big for the door that we have. We've got just like some glass in our door, so we need something that fits a little bit better, but I thought this was really cute. And this was also on sale. No, this was $13.99, and so it had 40% off, so this was $8.39. All right, and then I got this for my dining room table. I am still debating whether I'm gonna keep this. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. So I probably could come up with like a tablescape or something that's probably a little cuter than this, but I like the idea of just picking this up and moving it out of the way. I do like the galvanized pot that it has. And this was $49.99, and then it was $20 off, so this was $29.99. So I don't love it, but I do like it okay, and I really couldn't find anything that I liked better. So maybe one of those things where if I do find something somewhere else, I may return this, but let me know what you think. Do you think this is cute? Should I keep this for our dining room table, or should I get something else? Okay, then I got these for just a little small flower arrangement in my living room. Just have like a little galvanized pot in there, and I just wanted to just kind of switch out what I have and just put these in there for fall. These were $3.99. Yeah, these were $3.99 each, so they were also 40% off, so I think it made them $2.39 each. And then, if you know me, you know I like my teal, turquoise, blue. So I thought this was kind of like a little glam pumpkin. I really thought it was cute. This also came from Hobby Lobby, and this was $9.99, and it was on sale 40% off. So I think this was $5.99 when I bought it. I did buy this a few weeks back, so I don't have it on the same receipt, but this was also 40% off. Okay, and next I'm gonna show you what I got at Kirkland's, and then I'll show you some stuff that I got either months ago or last year. So this pillow I got at Kirkland's, and I thought it was really, really cute. I'm gonna put this on my sectional sofa. So it's got the pumpkins on the front, and then the back is like a little plaid gray. So I thought it was really cute. This was $29.99, and they had a sale going at Kirkland's right now. Everything was 35% off, and I think the furniture was only 25% off. So that ended up being $19.49. I do kind of find their pillows pricey, so I usually don't buy pillows from Kirkland's, but I thought this was really cute and it was on sale. And since it's not orange or whatever, it actually will blend in with the other pillows that I have. So I'm just gonna add this one pillow for fall. Okay, so these are just the things I got last year. This is a copper pumpkin. I do not remember the price of this, but I'm gonna be using this again. I thought it was really cute. I got this season, and let's see. This was $29.99, and this would have been 40% off as well. I thought that was cute as well. So I probably got this, I'm not sure if they still have this, but I probably got it maybe 6 weeks ago is my best guess. And then I got this pillow last year. I don't remember the price of this. They do still have this at Hobby Lobby because we saw it while we were there yesterday. And they also still have this. I got this last year. It says grateful, thankful, blessed. And then the last thing that we got last year, this was $19.99, and then it was 40% off when we got it. It says happy fall, y'all. And I know they still have this because I've also seen this in the store this year. So we used this last year at our old house. All right, so that is our fall haul. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll be decorating our house really soon. I can't wait. I'm so excited for fall. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Love changes everything.